I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best to the Best, the awesome team at Garvin Exteriors in Cypress, Texas does it again, earning the 2025 National Best to the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction. Garvin Exteriors is now a back-to-back winner 2024 and our latest honor in 25, and it's been another fantastic year of outstanding service at Garvin Exteriors. The Garvin Exteriors team has some of the best customer reviews in Houston, Texas, because they do outstanding work in roofing, storm damage restoration, gutters, attic insulation, solar fans, and more. Garvin Exteriors is built on 4 guiding principles: integrity, experience, communication, and community. Once again, we did not tell anyone at Garvin Exteriors that we were doing this video. The owners are a wonderful couple named Chris and Kristen Garvin. The Garvins and the team they value so much had no idea that we were doing this video, and that gives it a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there. Wow, a lot has happened at Garvin Exteriors in just the last year. Garvin Exteriors became a directory company, which we love. Directory contractors are so good that Directory will back a $20,000 warranty on their work. And because of Garvin Exteriors' commitment to you, they've been vetted in all areas of the business, increasing that warranty to a $250,000 guarantee on all work performed. That awesome warranty from Directory should give customers of Garvin Exteriors a lot of peace of mind that other contractors simply cannot offer. There's a big trend in Texas roofing right now you need to know about. These out-of-state private equity firms are buying up so many local family businesses. Service and craftsmanship is really suffering. When you hire Garvin Exteriors, you're hiring a local Texas family. Chris and Kristen are raising 2 wonderful kids here, Luke and Sloan. They know many of their customers. They would never engage in high-pressure sales or cut corners on a job. Never. The Garvin Exteriors name means quality. At Best to the Best, we've always cared most about our independent research and recent reviews from real customers. When we did this video in 2025, so many reviews sounded just like this one posted by WL. She said, "We learned about Garvin Exteriors through a group of moms and signed up for their roof maintenance subscription. It's hard finding honest, communicative, skilled, and affordable contractors. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend." Wow. Please, just read the reviews like we have. You'll be impressed like we are. Garvin Exteriors is a fantastic company. Finally, at Best to the Best, we love companies that give back. Garvin Exteriors continues to support Gigi's Playhouse in Houston. Gigi's Playhouse is an organization dedicated to changing the way the world views Down syndrome and promoting acceptance for all. Garvin Exteriors gives a portion of every roof sale to Gigi's Playhouse. We love that too. Congratulations to Chris, Kristen, and the entire team at Garvin Exteriors, a great American Texas family business, on this 2025 national honor from Best to the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.